The fact that you can have your period every single month without an iota of pain seems like an illusion to some persons. I've had this conversation with someone before, and I was trying to explain to the person that you could have your period every month without having any pain. It's going to be easy peasy, seamless, painless. And this person could not believe me. She was like, even if you're not having severe pain, at least you should have, little pain here and there that shows that you're having a period. And I said you could literally have your period without having pain. The only way you know you're having period is what is going on down there. And she couldn't believe it because all her life, painful period was her experience. Now, let me tell you something that helped me and can also help you. Seed cycling, besties. Seed cycling is a nutrition practice where different seeds are eaten during different phases of the menstrual cycle. Now, you've heard me talk about how important eating seeds are for your health. Now, the idea is simple. When it comes to seed cycling, it happens in two phases. The first phase will be the period where you inculcate two important seeds in your daily meals: flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. You add it to your oats, add it to your rice. So far as that food is something chewable, you could add it. Those two, don't add one and leave the other. Add these two to your meals. That is the first phase. Then the second phase, you inculcate two another important seeds: your sunflower seeds and your sesame seeds. Add them to your daily meals. Anything you are eating, just like you did in the first phase, add it to your daily meals. What are these seeds doing? They contribute to a number of things that go on before and after your period. One of the things that they do is that they add lots and lots of nutrients to your body. But most importantly, these seeds help to control, manage your hormones, two important hormones in your body: your estrogen and your progesterone. When these two hormones are all over the places, that is when you begin to have extremely painful periods. But when you inculcate these seeds I just mentioned in your meal, the way I just mentioned it, it helps regulate these two hormones. And when they are under check, I'm telling you this for a fact, that you are going to experience a seamless period if you've never experienced that in your life. Those that do seed cycling know this. It is not a hidden knowledge. Go make your research and come back and thank me. Another thing that these seeds supply is fiber. I mentioned nutrients earlier, right? And I've told you times without number the importance of fiber in your daily meals, right? See, the truth is that the research of the effectiveness of seed cycling is not so popular, but it is out there. But I'm telling you this for a fact because I have used them over and over again, and this is a proven result, first-hand experience of mine. Do you understand? So go and try seed cycling if you're someone that is having painful period, and come back and tell me your observation. But remember, the overall foundation still remains good nutrition, good sleep, stress management, and exercise, that is moving your body. These will go a long way for you. Try it and you will come back and thank me. See you in my next one.